Where do you go? Come back, no go anywhere. Stand here. Now look. Shima. Se não quer voltar a estar, não vou tocar.
Are you okay?
Yes, exactly. Thank you, sir. Well, we'll do this. So,
well, I commend them for this improvement, and they should ensure transparency in the transmission of the results. The INEC staff on ground and those others who will be handling the various processes that will lead to the declaration of the result, they should ensure transparency. They should ensure fairness and equity for all candidates. That is the best way. I look forward that one day election will be conducted in Nigeria and in Benue State, and nobody will look for the alternative or litigation. That is my desire.
Your Excellency, voting has just started. You are also voted now. What would you say is your assessment on the turnout?
The turnout is very impressive. More people are coming. This is quite early, and I believe that the people are fully mobilized. They want a good thing. Nobody is happy with what is happening in our state and in our country today as far as security issues are concerned. As you can see, all the polling units in this my council ward are voting in Bajumba, the headquarters. Others are as far as 30 kilometers away from here, others 15, others 20. But because the terrorists, Fulani herdsmen, have chased them away from their homes, they have no alternative than to vote here. But you can see the polling units as they are located in different places. And so more people are going to come, and I look forward that everything will be peaceful at the end of the day.
You have so far not received any report of any voter missing their voting polling unit as far as the location is concerned.
No, I've not had any. Stakeholders meetings were held, and stakeholders discussed and agreed that this will be the center where people will be voted. Otherwise, there is no other place to go. You can't go to the interior places of council ward because people are not safe. There is insecurity, and you can't move to those places. But in fact, more than 98% of the people from this council ward are living here in Bajuma, the headquarters of Goma local government. This is the headquarters of our council ward. So they are happy doing it. Nobody will want to have the stress. No vehicle will want to travel to those insecure places to talk about voting. The report I received is not here, but if the DG, or rather the director of our campaigns, have been arrested purportedly by EFCC for having 100,000 naira on him. He was charged. What is the meaning of that? Are they agents of destruction? Are they agents of destabilization of the electoral process, or what? Are you telling me that I will not have money for my upkeep when I go to a polling unit, or where? 100,000. It is a shame, and this is not right. And I want to advise EFCC to immediately release the director of our campaigns, Dr. Cletus Chokia. There is no offense. It is wrong. It is not correct. 100,000. I have more than 100,000, but I'm not buying votes, and he wasn't buying votes. You arrest him if he's buying votes. So it is wrong. So if they are paid agents of a particular political party to destabilize us on this election day that we have prepared for over 1 year, it is not correct. That has to be done. Whoever will get to the EFCC command, the leader should know that what he's doing is not correct.